Are you tired of manually entering data and missing critical financial insights? Enable all 13 AI features in Zoho Books in under 3 minutes. I'll walk you through each toggle in the AI integration settings. Let's start by opening the Settings menu. Click the Settings icon to open the Configuration menu. Select AI Integration from the list to access the AI features. Toggle Zoho Invoice Insights on or off as needed. Enable or disable the writing assistant for your invoices. Turn Zoho Forecasting on or off to predict cash flow. Set Zoho Anomaly Detection to catch unusual transactions. Enable or disable Zoho Insights for business intelligence. Toggle Keyword Extraction to automatically extract key terms. Turn Image to Text on or off for OCR capabilities. Set Sentiment Analysis to gauge customer sentiment. Click Save to apply the changes. Review the AI terms and click to agree. Click Proceed to confirm and finish enabling the AI features. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.